Okay, I have the new setup for my GoPro on my new helmet, and I have a Sony microphone inside the helmet. Let's see if this thing works. I'm just going to ride around a little bit and record. Oh, pretty lady. Head out the highway towards the construction site where my new home is being built, and then come back this way. I should put on my gloves. It's pretty cloudy today. I hope it doesn't rain. There's one. There's two. There's a guy on a Harley Davidson. No helmet, because you don't need a helmet in Texas. There's just no way I would do that. Another guy just passed me going downhill. No helmet. Not very bright. The other guy not only didn't have a helmet, he wasn't wearing any gloves or a motorcycle jacket. Nice day today. It's not as hot as it was the last couple of days. Not as hot as it was the last 3 weeks. I think I've been in Texas now for 3 weeks. I think I got pretty much everything done that I need to do getting back into Texas, except for the license plate on my truck and my motorcycle and the driver's license. I'm still using the California driver's license and the California driver's plates. I was just waiting for the registration on the motorcycle to come in from DMV, because my registration is in my large file cabinet, and that large file cabinet is in storage along with everything else that was in my home, and it's in storage in Fresno, California. So that stuff will be shipped here to Texas once my home is finished. Then they'll bring it all down and put it in the house. So I had to wait for the registration to come in from my motorcycle. Now I can get the plate. I figured I'd do it all at one time. Now I can get the plates for both the motorcycle and the truck. Okay, I'm at the Americas Avenue. Joe Battle Avenue's coming up. I keep forgetting what exit to take out here to get to Golden Rise, which is the street that I will be living on. Let's see what happens. I like the way I set up the GoPro and the microphone on this helmet. I sure hope it's working good. Also, I set it up so that the GoPro doesn't have to use the tiny little batteries that go inside. One, those batteries overheat. Two, they don't last, if you're lucky, an hour, hour and a half. So I've got a wire that goes down inside my jacket, and it's hooked up to a large brick battery. That sucker should last for at least a day and a half. So this says Horizon City exit 35, but I think this is the exit that I'm supposed to take. Yeah, I think this is it. sure hope it doesn't rain. My rain suit is packed in storage back in California. Yep, this is it, Rojas Drive. There is a smell out here. Whew. Almost smells like a dairy. And then right up here, this is interesting. They put a stop sign right here out in the middle of nowhere. Right here. Isn't this crazy? And I think Golden Rise runs right into this street. I think. I remember where that white truck's coming out of that street right there. I think that's Golden Rise. That is so cool. That means I have a quick exit and entrance. Yep, Golden Rise to the highway. Yep, here we go. Look at all this new construction. So my home will be on this side, and it is going to be on this corner lot right here. This corner lot right here. All right. Don't fall down in the sand, Frank. That's one thing about El Paso compared to where I was in Visalia, California. You don't get gravel on the roads. Here is the apartment complex that I live in for right now until my home is built. It's called High Ridge Apartments, apartment homes. It'd be nice if there was a parking spot right in front. Looks like there is. Yep. I'm gonna park right here. All right. Okay, I hope it's recording. So this is the way I get into my apartment. Trying to find my keys. There they are. I'm on the 3rd floor. There's Ox. One more flight. And I am right here, 3037. And this is what it looks like. Not much here. Card table. I'm not going to bring anything up here. Kitchen. Not much there either. Bedroom. Hey Frank, how's it going? And this is where I keep all my underwear and socks and stuff like that. Sleeping on an air mattress. And there's my office.